Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy. That is just the weirdest thing for me to say. Hi, my name is Sandy. It's so easy, but so hard. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Sandy here, and today I am gonna be doing a look with this baby over here. So in case you guys don't know yet, Ipsy does a subscription bag. So basically you get a little bag, which is probably like that big, I don't know, and it comes with products that they send you each month, and you get to try out those products, and it's basically like samples. Ipsy did contact me and told me that they were going to be coming out with a Ipsy bag plus, which is this box. And yeah, I decided to do a video and show you guys what's in here. I've never had an Ipsy bag, so I really can't do comparisons, but I can show you what's in here. I'm also going to go ahead and try the products out. I did open this because I wanted to see what was in here, so it's not a first impression. So when you open it, it's here are the goodies that we have. I know that these are available this month of April and in the future, so you guys can sign up for that. But I guess like April was when they started doing this. So yeah, I love how the box is pink because I love pink. I love how like minimalist it is, and it just says Ipsy. That's super cute. So this is the paper that it comes with. So it tells you like all the products it has, and I think it like describes them. Woo. So the first item I'm going to show you guys is this Hilton ProD.N.A Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleansing Gel. This item retails for $29. So yeah, this is from Hilton. I love the packaging, so cute. I have never tried anything from Hilton. So yeah, it's clear and it smells like perfume. Alright, so I applied some water and then just kind of lathered that on my face, and with a towel I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe that off. This is warm water too, so yeah, that would be better off if you wash it, but I'm here filming for you guys, so yeah, I really like how that feels. My face feels very nice and clean. Alright, so the next item in this box that I'm going to show you guys is the Goldfaden MD Bright Eyes. This item retails for $55. So basically what this is Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. This is for problem tired eyes. So this is like a brightening eye cream, reduces under eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines for a more luminous and youthful glow. So I'm just gonna tap that underneath my eye. I don't see a difference. I mean, it's just a second after applying it, so I don't think I'll see a difference, but I can feel a little bit of tingling, just a little bit. But oh my god, $55 for this little bottle. Like, girl, that's a lot. But I can't judge because I bought a eye cream for $80 and I think it had less than this. It worked miracles on me, and so I can't talk shit because anything that's an eye cream, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I feel like I have a youthful face already. I mean, but no, I'm just kidding. But so I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. Alright, so I did my face because there's no face products on here, so I just went ahead and did that off camera just to like focus on what's in this box. So yeah, now we're gonna move on to eyes, and the next item in this box is this Moods Laura Sanchez eyeshadow palette. I'm guessing this is like Laura Sanchez, like there's my daughter. Hi, Emmy.
Hi.
So we were talking about this palette, and I'm guessing this is like her company. I don't know, let me look it up. So yeah, this is the Laura Sanchez Moods eyeshadow and highlighter palette. This retails for $35, which is actually a really good price. I dropped the brush, and that's the little brush that it comes with. So this is what the palette looks like, the packaging. It is so cute. I love the colors. I love the whole like vibe. So how you open it. Oh my god, I love the colors. They look like summer colors, spring summer colors. I already primed my eyes. I don't know what kind of look I want to do, but I want to do something fun. That yellow shade looks so gorgeous, but it's kind of hard because we have our mattes right here, and then these are shimmers, and these are the two highlights. So like I really don't like using shimmers on the lid because I do have hooded eyes, so using shimmers just kind of make your eyes look more like droopy and like more hooded. I don't know, it's like adding highlight to a place you're trying to contour. So like if I added highlight right here, I would just probably look a little bit more like fuller. I know some people can do that. I just don't. So I don't know. I'm gonna put pink on the crease and just see what I do with that. So I'm gonna go with this pink shade. These don't, oh how cute. If you open the palette, that is adorable. Like, so I'm going with this pink shade right here. And you guys should know me by now. I'm probably gonna do a cut crease. I don't know. When I learned how to do them, I just can't stop. They're like my favorite on my eyes. I think I'm gonna do a half cut crease, which are my favorite ones to do. So I'm gonna add some to the outer corner. I'm gonna go with this white, and I'm gonna add that to the brow bone. Oh, it's the iridescent. Okay, I was totally not expecting that. Oh, that is pretty though. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna go with this yellow right here. This yellow is also so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm like obsessed with this. I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm not gonna do that on camera because I'm not using anything from the box. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go with the inner corner, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. So I'm gonna put it a little bit right here, and then the actual inner corner. Now I'm gonna go with this coral shade, and I'm just gonna add that all on the lid. Now I'm just gonna blend that pink with the coral. And then I'm just gonna add more of that iridescent to the inner corner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use this blue, and I'm gonna do an eyeliner with that. I'm honestly tempted to do like a blue line up here, but I don't know. I'm gonna do the eyeliner first and then I'll see how I feel. Okay, I am living for this palette. I have not had any issue with these eyeshadows so far. They're just amazing. You know what? I am gonna do it. I'm gonna get a pencil brush, spray it, wet it, whatever. And I'm gonna do I'm gonna attempt, if I fuck this up, y'all, this is the end of me. But I just love how beautiful this is, and I want to attempt to do a line right here. I love it! Usually I love to do the glitter line, the floating glitter line. So I feel like I have to do something there. And I'm not trying to use glitter. I always do that. So I'm trying to focus on this palette. Now for the bottom lash line, I want to go with this green. The green doesn't look that amazing, TBH. Mommy? Yes. Hi. I love you. I love you more. I promise. I'm gonna do this neutral shade right here, right under the green. The bottom lash line, meh. I don't know, we'll see if it all pulls in together. So now I'm gonna do some of that yellow, like under that neutral color. Well, kind of. Like adding the green in the bottom kind of makes it look more neutral. But I do have like vibrant summer colors up here, and then it's like meh. What did you do with my life down here? That's how I kind of feel. What if I add some pink? Would that make it kind of fun? Oh, it does look a lot more funner. Yeah, I think I like the pink in the bottom. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of blue, like right here. Yeah, now I'm going to add some highlight, and of course I'm going to use the palette. This is what both of the highlights look like. We have the iridescent, and then this is like the golden one. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here. Well, hello highlight. Do you see that? Oh my god. Alright, so I went ahead and applied some falsies already and some mascara to finish up the eye look. And we have 3 more items left in this box. So now we need lips. So we did get some lip products. So I'm going to use these. These are the Girlactik 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm. and we have the shades Periwinkle and a Twinkle. For the set of 2, these retail for $34. So that would be $17 each, which is not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. This is the Twinkle one, and then we have the Periwinkle one. Hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna use Twinkle on the top. Oh, this is so pretty. And then I'm gonna do the Periwinkle on the bottom. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna leave that there, but I'm just gonna finish it with the Twinkle. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, and it feels so good on the lips. It like feels moisturizing. I love it. I think it's gonna be my new lip balm, just to like, I don't know, because it makes like, it's a metallic-y color. It kind of looks like a lip topper, and I like that because those kind of look like glosses, but it's not a gloss. Like, I'm here for it. I love it. It's beautiful. It feels good on the lips. It doesn't taste weird. These are so nice. I know I'm gonna wear them a lot. Look is completed, and now we have one more item in this box, and this is the Feel Balance Moisture Balancing Cream. Moisturizer deeply for 24 hours. I really love the packaging on this. It's so pretty. This retails for $28. Oh, I guess you can use it on the face and the body. I could have used it on the face. I didn't think you were able to, but you can use it on the face and the body. Oh, it smells good. So, oh, it smells really good. It smells fresh, and it feels nice. It doesn't feel too like oily. So I don't know. Oh, I really want to try this on the face. I'm so mad I didn't do it. Oh well. Alright, so that is it. I really liked all the products that we got in here, and it doesn't say how much all of this came up to, but I'm gonna add it up. So yeah, the whole value of this box is $181. That's insane, because you only are gonna pay $25 a month for this. So that's amazing, and you're gonna get full-size products, so I think that's kind of cool. You're getting your money's worth for sure. So this was available for people who were already subscribed to the Ipsy Glam bag, but as of like April this month, it's available to anybody. You don't have to be subscribed to the Ipsy Glam bag. You can just subscribe to this if you want to. So yeah, this was the Glam bag plus for the month of April. This is the first glam bag that I've ever tried from them. So like, if you were to ask me if I would recommend this, I honestly would. Like, first of all, I am obsessed with this palette. I love the look and the lip product, everything I love. So I would definitely recommend. If I get any more, I will definitely make more videos on it. But if you guys are interested in subscribing to this or anything, like, I'm gonna put down like details down below, links and information, and I'm gonna list the products that were on there today. So pretty much all the information for this will be down below. So yeah, and also if you guys want to go ahead and add my Instagram or anything like that, I will put my links down below too, you know, just saying. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet. You don't have to if you want to, but that would be nice. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.